Oh, one just fell right into place. Boom. Sometimes that happens, right? Things just fall into place. All right, PBS. And that's pretty much it. I do get an order summary and all that stuff. It doesn't list which ones I got for free on this one, but my email confirmation that I've been reading off on my phone does tell me what I got for free. So I will give a recap as well, and then there's a little card to show what I get for free as well. So with that, we'll recycle these, because good on that. And then I'll just kind of rip these because they have my information on them. So yeah, ripping it up. All right, hopefully that's enough. Okay, all right, so let's recap all the free stuff I got, first of all. Okay, so I got all of this for free, over $200 in value, well over 200. I would probably estimate, because I used 120 product credits, and then the Frankincense is worth like 70, and these are like wholesale pricing too, not retail. So that would be about almost 200, like 190. And then let's see, and then I got the grapefruit, so that would bring it over 200, and then I got the peppermint. So yeah, almost between like 220, 250, like just really head math there, quick, of free stuff. And then I purchased 200 points worth of product, and that, you know, plus taxes, and you get shipping rewards back too in the form of product credits. But with taxes and some things are not dollar for point, you know, I spent over, I think it was like $300, because it doesn't show the dollar amount in my receipt. But so I got 200 points, paid for out of pocket, and I got over $200 in free stuff. Amazing month, right? So it's kind of like one for one. Love that aspect. And with that, we're going to prep the week for the Lifelong Vitality Pack and set ourselves up for success. And to do that, I just grabbed some wild orange to clean my hands here. One of my favorite oils to clean my hands because it softens my hands, and it also smells great, so aromatherapy, and it also cleans my hands too. So that is amazing. I use this in my green smoothies as well. So we're just going to move all the free stuff to the right here, to the right, so you can see what is going on here. Boom. That is a lot. That is a lot of stuff right there. Hashtag thankful, right? Hashtag awesomeness. All those people who say, oh, I can't afford essential oils, you know, doTERRA's too expensive. I've done videos on all that. But when you take advantage and understand the loyalty rewards program, it's not more expensive. Like, you get a ton of free stuff. And like anything, it comes down to understanding the benefits and uses. So this stuff doesn't collect dust in a box. Like, I'm going to use every single one of these, okay? I wouldn't buy it if I didn't use it. And it's not overpriced, it's not too expensive, and I get the value from it because I understand the benefits and uses properly. I mean, that's key. That properly aspect, absolutely key. All right, so now let's open up this AMPM container. I don't know if you can see all this, so let's just move this stuff. Okay, so this is my AMPM container. Helps keep me accountable so I know what day I've used what, and it's already got some stuff filled in from previous, so we're just gonna open up this. All right. Okay. So this is the vegan lifelong vitality pack. This is the VMZ. So this is vitamin mineral supplement, and it's made from whole foods, which is more easily absorbable. So that's what you want. It's not just what you eat. You know, you are what you eat, right? But it's really more accurate to say you are what you absorb. And so absorption is more important than just getting it down the hatch. And that's going to be key. All right, so then I've basically filled that out. So when I'm done and I've used it, I kind of put it off to the side so I know that I've done that. And then this is the Alpha CRS Plus. So this is energy in a bottle. I don't, you know, in general, I don't like to take these. I take it after I drink my green smoothie in the morning, like 9 maybe in the morning or something like that. And then I take so it absorbs better with food too, so that's what you want to do. And then I also take it in the afternoon, like my PM, probably around like 3 or 4 p.m., so that I have a good 3, 4, maybe 5 hours of energy and alertness and focus that comes with taking these, because these again help you on a cellular level. No caffeine, no sugar, but it's helping with the mitochondria, which are the little engines of your cells. So, and this is a great way to support your body in that way. So I'm going to put, whoa, hello, some are already falling in there. Hey, they fell into the right place. Okay, so that's cool. So yeah, 2 in each category. So 2 in the AM and 2 in the PM for each of the Lifelong Vitality Packs. Boom. And then we got that, and then this is the VE Omega. So this also comes in an XE Omega. This is the plant-based version. So you can do whatever you want. It's up to you. I've just been vegan since, oh my goodness, this is hard. Oh gosh. Woo. Let's we're gonna figure this out. All right, there we go. It just took. Hey, I'm hitting the gym, all right. You know, the doTERRA pyramid has like eat right, exercise, rest, and manage. You know, I've been trying to hit the gym a little bit more, you know. So it just it's my off day. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna open this up. Anyways, whew, that was kind of difficult. All right, but anyway, it's normally not that difficult. Like I said, okay. All right. So this has 9 essential oils in there. So those essential oils are clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, German chamomile, as well as some other omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids. Again, important for brain, muscles, and joint health. I mean, good night. You need all that. Yes, yes. And the key to remember is that these supplements, and ideally more whole food lifestyle, right? You're eating whole plant foods in their, you know, whole raw state or blended or in a salad and stuff. And the China study says that you should probably have about 95% or more plant-based as a percentage of your caloric intake. So what that means is less than a half a deck or less than a third of a deck of cards, like you think of like a deck of cards of meat per day. And that includes beef, chicken, fish, what else? Seafood, pork. So less than that. So I've been vegan since 2000. I lose track. I think it's been yeah, it was like 2014-ish. So I'm going on like my 5th year. Holy smokes! You know, I never pushed that on people, but I just help them understand the benefits of eating plants, which is it's going to help with a quality of life, and it's also going to help your body get what it needs so that your body can heal itself, and the body does all the healing. It's just, are we giving it the right inputs? Are we giving it the right, you know, enhancements naturally, right? So that's what's going on. So yeah, okay, put that in there. And then now I'm going to put the enzymes. So I put 1 per day, but again, you want to try to put, if your meal is fully cooked, you want to take about 3 of these. And ideally you want to take this about 30 minutes before you eat. And you're like, whoa, that's too much to remember, Lance. But why you want to do that is so that you line your stomach with a bed of enzymes so that as the food hits those enzymes, it's able to break it down properly, right? So I'm not always the best at that, you know, I'm just keeping it real, but I mean, sometimes I eat and then I throw the enzymes on top of that, but hey, I'm getting the enzymes so that my liver doesn't have to work as hard, my pancreas doesn't have to work as hard, my saliva doesn't have to work as hard, although your enzyme does produce amylase, but it's cool. Anyways, which is a type of enzyme, so. So the reason why we take these is so that our body doesn't have to work as hard. And if our body doesn't have to work as hard, then that means it's going to be easier to absorb the nutrients because it's getting help, right? Our body already has to work really hard with everything else to just survive, right, and stay alive. Breathing air, there's a lot of involuntary processes, you know, breathing, stuff like that. But that's not really working hard. But I'm trying to say, like, you know, there's a lot of stuff in the air, in the food, in the water that our body has to try to process and filter out, and we may not always eat the best, or we may eat healthy but really not healthy, like as you define exactly what you're eating with a food journal. So the body's working way harder than it needs to be, and let's give it some help here. So I just put 1 in the AM and 1 in the PM for this. Oh, one just fell right into place. Boom. Sometimes that happens, right? Things just fall into place. All right, PB Assist. This is the probiotics. It also has a prebiotic, which feeds the probiotics. And then it's double encapsulated to make sure that it can be delivered to the small intestines intact, right, and alive. All right, so that is important as well. Yeah, these lids are sometimes hard. You definitely want assistance here. All right, so I just put like 1 in the AM, 1 in the let me see. AM or PM, whatever, 1 a day. What's the amount? You know, I would probably say at least 1 per day. I'm going to get to the point where I do maybe 2 or 3 a day. you know, like breakfast, lunch, dinner type of thing. So I will graduate to that, and I will start buying basically 2 of these, because I normally buy 2 of these, or at least try to have 2 on hand of the enzymes. And so that way I'm filling in the gap from the biggest deficits that the standard American diet has. So the standard American diet deficits are fiber, so we don't get enough fiber. It's enzymes, because all the food is overly processed and cooked, so we don't get enough enzymes. And then our body only has a limited amount of time before it runs out of enzymes from a natural production standpoint. And then we don't get enough probiotics, okay, because again the food is dead, overcooked, or synthetic, which isn't good either. And then we also don't get enough trace minerals. And so trace minerals, the gap that would be helped a little bit with that, so these are vitamins and minerals, but trace minerals are even smaller amounts, and ideally you want it from humic or fulvic acid from organic plant-based sources deep within the earth. That's a different supplement that I help my clients with, but those are the 4 things that are missing in the standard American diet. You may be like, Lance, I eat healthy, ain't nobody got time